Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So in this video we do have some disappointing news about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This is the second disappointing news that we have had so far. The first one was the lack of the 3.5mm headphone jack that is most likely going to be gone on the Note 10. And of course that has angered a lot of longtime fans. Now we have a brand new problem. And to be very clear, for some people, this might not be a problem. However, a couple weeks ago, Ice Universe, one of the reliable leaksters for Samsung smartphones, leaked to us a photo of DaVinci with a number around it. And if you look on the side of that photo, on the right side, you'll see a charging symbol. So DaVinci is the code name of Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The charging symbol is for fast charging, and 101101 is the binary representation of the decimal number 45. So a lot of people deduced from this picture that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is going to have 45 watts of fast, super fast charging. And of course, that made us very, very happy. And of course, if you keep looking at Ice Universe's leaks and tweets, you'll see that he has continually hinted at a charging speed around the 50 watt number. So a lot of us thought this was going to be the case. So what's happening now is another leakster, Max from XDA, tweets on his own Twitter. He says, according to my source, the Note 10 Pro will only have 25 watts charging, not the 45 watts previously leaked. The A90, the Samsung A90, which is going to be an upcoming smartphone, is getting the 45 watts charging previously written about. So now we have two conflicting views. On the one hand, we have Ice Universe, who's been a very reliable leakster and also obsessed with DaVinci. And then on the other hand, we have Max, who I've seen, to be honest, only a couple times, but he is a credible person. He's a TV host and a writer for XDA Developers, which is a huge site. So I don't know what to believe in. He's saying that his source is saying the Note 10 Pro will only have 25 watts charging. Ice Universe is sending cryptic messages letting us know that the Note 10 DaVinci is going to have 45 watts of charging. Unless there is a secret in that picture that I'm unable to decipher. So again, this is all leaks right now. It could be 45, could be 25. But if it is 25, are you going to be disappointed? Now in my case, probably not. 45 watts is great news, but 25 watts is not slow. Now if you look at the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, the S10 5G, they are all fast charging smartphones. Your phone is going to charge even with the 15 watts in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, so 25 watts might bring that down even a little bit more. Then you get wireless charging. So this is not a big deal. I will take the 45 watts if it's available. There's no question about that. But if you give me 25 watts charging, I'm fine with that too. So drop your comments down below and let me know what you guys think about this. Is it as bad as the missing headphone jack? Obviously, I don't think so, but I want you guys to let me know what you think. All right, so that was a quick update for you guys for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro model. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.